Taking good notes is a powerful skill. It helps you remember important information, stay organized, and learn faster. But what is the best way to take notes? In this video, we will explore a simple, effective note-taking system anyone can use. Step 1. Choose the right tools. First, pick your tools. You can use a notebook and pen or a digital app like Microsoft OneNote, Evernote, or Google Keep. Choose what feels comfortable and easy to use. The important thing is to be consistent with your choice. Step 2. Use the Cornell method. One of the best note-taking methods is called the Cornell method. It is easy to learn and helps you review your notes quickly. Start by dividing your page into 3 sections. A narrow column on the left for keywords or questions. A wide right column for your main notes. A small section at the bottom for a summary. Step 3. Take notes during the lesson or meeting. Write your main notes in the large right column. Use short sentences, bullet points, and simple words. Don't try to write everything. Focus on important ideas and facts. Use your own words to make the notes easier to understand later. Step 4. Add keywords and questions. After the lesson, fill in the left column with keywords, main topics, or questions related to your notes. This helps you quickly find information when you review later. Step 5. Write a summary. At the bottom of the page, write a few sentences summarizing the whole lesson or topic. This helps your brain remember the big picture and main points. Step 6. Review. Regularly review your notes often. Look at the keywords and questions first. Then try to recall the details from the main notes. Use the summary to refresh your memory. Regular review makes your notes useful for studying and long-term memory. Bonus tips. Use abbreviations and symbols to save time while writing. Highlight or underline important points. Use different colors to organize ideas. Keep your notes neat and organized. Conclusion. The Cornell method is simple and effective. It helps you take clear notes, organize information, and review quickly. Try it in your next class or meeting and see how it improves your learning. Good note-taking leads to better understanding and success. Start using this system today.